So shall we start the workbook problems now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Kirtana.
Avantika, you can read the first problem. Avantika. Avantika.
Ma'am, in this chapter we have only this much notes.
Yes, this much only. Important notes are there. Next one I will give the definition for number patterns.
Ma'am, Kirtana.
Yes, Sarah.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I will read, ma'am, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah, you can read the first question.
Okay, ma'am.
First
Which
question.
of the following letters is symmetrical?
Yes.
Option B, D.
Hmm. No, what are the options given?
Option A, F. Option B, D. Option C, R. Option D, Q.
Q. So which is symmetrical? F is not symmetrical. R is
No.
not symmetrical. Q is not symmetrical. So only one possibility is there.
D.
Which letter is symmetrical? D. Devarsh, you can read the next question.
But how can D will be symmetrical?
Yes, he means dividing. Horizontal.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Devarsh, you can read the second.
Dash is symmetrical
Hmm.
among the even letters.
Yes. Which are the
C.
letters? C.
Option
First one, what is the answer? Which option is correct?
B.
Option B.
Option B.
Devarsh. Yes. Second one is
Second one is
option
B.
B.
Ma'am, first option A.
The option A is also correct, but they are, I don't know why this one shape is different, I think, because one is in this order and the other one is in reverse order. I think. That is why,
One is in right side facing, other is facing in the left.
yes, one is facing this side and the other one is facing the other side.
The letter is symmetrical among the letter is symmetrical among the given letters. The answer is option B, C.
Option B, C. Yes. Yes. Third one.
This is the page number.
Page number 17. First three problems. Thanvin is present. Thanvin, no. Dia, what is the next question? You can read the next one. Third question.
The letter has dash lines of symmetry.
The letter H is having how many axes of symmetries?
2.
H. If you are dividing like this also, it will be
Vertical and horizontal.
vertical axis and horizontal axis. So which option is correct?
Ma'am, is the slanting?
Option A.
Ma'am,
Who
is the
unmuted there?
slanting?
Who sound? Somebody's audio disturbing? Then we please mute. Yes, in workbook, fourth one.
Ma'am,
Siddhi, please mute. Yes.
then I
Yes.
want something.
Ma'am, the sound is from Siddhi.
Siddhi.
Ma'am, can you send the notes, last class notes, which we have to write in the unroll sheet? Can you?
Yes, I sent today. I sent now.
Ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have an example for a symmetrical shape, Aditi.
Yes, Aditi.
Ma'am, I have an example for a symmetrical shape.
Yes, you can say.
Ma'am, this is an example for a symmetrical shape.
Yes, it is a leaf. Very
When
good
we
example.
fold it is equal on both of the
Yes.
sides.
So which leaf that?
Ma'am, it is a cloth artificial leaf.
Cloth artificial leaf. Okay. So she made one symmetrical figure. So it is applicable now itself in your daily life. Symmetry is used in her daily life. Yes, next
Excuse
one.
me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, doubt. Tell me your doubt. Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have read the third question. The letter H has two symmetrical lines, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
only for the H does it two line of symmetry?
Other letters also will be having, you can see that, which are the letters. Which are the letters which are having two symmetrical
Ma'am,
figures.
C is having C is having two
O is having more than one. O, yes, Dia.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is the slanting axis?
Yes, slanting is also there.
Ma'am, is the letter C having a vertical and a horizontal?
C is having vertical, no. Vertical, no. The letter O is having. If you are dividing, okay. O is having any other letters you
ma'am.
can see.
No, ma'am, like this we can do right.
Yes.
First, draw C and put vertical and horizontal. It will be like this, like this, like this, like this.
This is horizontal I have drawn.
We can write the notes, ma'am.
Yes.
We can only
Yes.
do
Next one, fourth one.
horizontal for C.
Felix, what is the next question? Read fast. Fourth
The
one.
shape that looks the same after 1/4 turn.
No,
and
fourth
1/4
question. Fourth question. Fourth one.
The anti-clockwise 1/4 turn in the given shape is option C.
Yes. Option C. Anti-clockwise.
This side.
No. Option C. Anti-clockwise,
C.
not in clockwise.
Oh, anti-clockwise. It's
Yes.
Option
B.
Option B.
Option B.
Option B is the correct answer.
Would like Felix say the answer, sir.
Felix is telling about clockwise.
He told the answer before me. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Don't fight. Don't fight. Mistakes, making mistakes.
Fight.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I was absent in that day when you take the new chapter patterns. So I
Okay.
didn't understand this anti-clockwise turn.
So what can I do? Can you hear the recorded video is there? Otherwise, you ask me after finishing this tomorrow, no? Monday. Okay.
Okay.
I will tell that. Next one. What is the next problem after Felix? Next one. Glenn?
Fifth one.
Glenn, can you read the next one? So fourth one, what is the answer you wrote?
Fourth one D. B.
Option B. Because you have to remember it is in the anti-clockwise direction. Yes. Next one, Glenn. What is the next question? What is the next question, Glenn? Are you there? Are you there?
Ma'am, Glenn is there.
There.
Ma'am, can I read Riza?
Yes, who?
Ma'am, Riza.
Riza, you can read. Yes.
The anti-clockwise 1/4 turn of the given shape is
The shape, no, fifth one. You are reading the fifth question.
one.
okay, ma'am.
Fifth one.
The shape that looks the same after 1/4 turn and 1/2 turn is
Half turn, that is half turn, 1/2 turn. 1/4 turn and 1/2 turn. Quarter turn and half turn you can say. In other words, you can say quarter turn and half turn. The figure will not change. Which figure will not change? Any, if you are
Ma'am, circle.
circle. Yes?
Ma'am, can I read the next question?
Yes, wait. I am asking according to the roll numbers. Otherwise, many are not getting the chance. Which option is correct there? Option A. Okay. Haira Fatima.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ma'am is going to ask in roll number.
Yes, I am asking according to roll numbers because otherwise, because she answered in between. Yes. Which option is correct? Fifth one. Anyone is having doubt? Circle will not be changing any shape if it is quarter turn or half turn. Haira Fatima, next one you can read fast. Haira.
Ma'am, can I read Srihari?
Ma'am is asking in roll number.
Yes,
wise.
Prithvi is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the fifth question fast.
Fifth question.
Yes. Fifth one over. Which option you wrote there? Fifth one?
A.
Option A. All of them wrote.
A. Yes.
Sixth one you can read now.
The next shape in the given pattern is
How it will come that? First one is like this, the circle was here, and in the second figure, the circle came here.
Can you show the fourth question?
Fourth question answer is option B.
E.
ma'am option C.
Yes, option C.
Sixth question is option C.
Yes, option C. First circle was here, again it came here. In which direction? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise direction. The circle came here, again next figure the circle came
Excuse
here.
me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I don't understand this question.
This question? Sixth
Yeah,
one?
ma'am.
Sixth one?
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Sixth question I will tell you now.
Option.
Yes, here is a triangle, and at the top of this triangle there is one circle. Have you seen that? Yes. Second one,
Yeah.
triangle, and this circle came here. It is rotating. The circle is rotating. Triangle is not changing. Here it came.
Yes, ma'am.
Third figure, now it is in the clockwise. It is rotating the circle. Here it came.
Ma'am, can you mute everyone?
Ma'am, I understand now.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you
Who is
mute
talking in
everyone?
between?
Ma'am, can you
This
see
is
the digital mute?
teaching, right?
Yes. Who is unmuting? Yes, Hyra, you can mute now. Hyra is Maria, please mute on your video. Next figure.
Ma'am, I understand that question. It is.
Huh? Now understood.
understand the fifth question.
Fifth
Yeah,
question.
ma'am, I understand. It is repeating, right?
Is it now you
Can
understood?
you say what is symmetrical?
Who is asking that?
Ma'am Riza.
Riza means symmetrical means if you are turning any figure, cut it into two axes, the two parts are identical. Such type of
Same
figures are-
parts.
Yes, the two parts will be equal. For example, if you cut the letter C like this, two parts are same. Such, yes. Yes, Tanvi.
understand the fifth
Sixth, sixth question I am explaining now. You can see one triangle. Fifth one. Yes, fifth one. The shape that looks the same after quarter turn and half turn. Which figure will not change? Circle.
Ma'am, quarter turn by 4.
1/4 turn also taking, half turn also taking. This shape will not change circle. Half turn means also it will come as circle like this. Next turn also it will be coming as a circle. Next turn also will be coming as a circle only. But triangle, if it is changing, the shape will be changing like this and all. The shape will be changing. So which figure will not change any shape? Which figure will not change any shape? Circle. The next shape in the given pattern is, which is the correct answer for sixth one? C.
Option C.
Option C. Yes, Isan, what is the next question? Isan Russell, seventh one. Isan Russell, are you there? Isan. Who is that unmuting always? Isan, can you tell me now? Can you read the question? No, he is not there. Janvi?
Ma'am, Izan is there.
Yes, where is no response? Yes, Isan, you can read now. I cannot hear. Can you hear? Is it my problem or your problem?
Can you hear?
Ma'am, we can also hear. Yeah, now.
Yes, who is unmuting there?
Ma'am, can you hear me? Izan.
Yes, and now I can hear you. Yes. Srihari, please mute.
Ma'am, the line that divides a shape into a symmetrical half is called the line of symmetry.
Yes, very good. Line of symmetry, or you can say axis of symmetry. Both are same. Line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. AXIS of symmetry. SYMME Axis of symmetry or line of symmetry. Yes, Janvi Prabhu, what is the next question?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, for seventh question we can write line of symmetry.
A line of
or
symmetry
axis
also you can write.
of- Okay, ma'am.
Line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Janvi, what is the next question?
Turning a shape in the clockwise direction is called dash of the shape.
Yes,
Rotation of the shape.
rotation. It may be they did not mention about anti-clockwise, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Turning a shape in the clockwise direction is called the rotation of solid. Rotation. Ninth one, Janika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me that. Read the next question.
If a quarter turn is 90-degree rotation,
Hmm.
then a 1/3 turn is dash rotation.
How much degree?
120 degree.
120 degree. 120 degree. Yes.
Seventh question answer.
The line that divides a shape into symmetrical halves is called line of symmetry or axis of symmetry.
Ma'am, can we write in either one of them?
Any one you can write. Both are same. If a quarter turn is 90-degree
May I
rotation, then a
ask
1/3
one
turn is
doubt?
120-degree rotation. Yes, Juvan, you can read the next one.
Excuse me, may I
10th one.
ask a doubt?
Yes, tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am, I have
Yes.
a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
now we have heard that a quarter means 90-degree rotation, and
Yes,
it is
yes. Hmm.
when a quarter, write a quarter means we will write 90.
Yes.
So
1
then
by 4
one
is
third
90
comes, we should write 120.
1 by 3, 1/3
Okay.
of 300 because you are taking an angle as 360 degree. So 1 by 4 into 360. If you are dividing, you will get it as 90 degree. Okay, 3 because in a circle maximum angle will be 360 degree. 3 by 60 is 1/3, 1/4 will be 90 degree. 360 is 1/3 will be,
Okay.
you will get it as 120 degree. Okay, and 360 is half
Okay,
turn,
ma'am.
means it is 180 degree. That is why it is coming like this. 1/3 means 120 degree,
Okay,
90
ma'am.
plus 30. Did you understand now? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
ma'am.
Yes. Quarter turn means 360 is
Yes.
quarter. What is the quarter of 360? 90 into 4, you will get it as 360. So 90 degree is called the quarter turn. If it is 1/3 turn, 1 by 3 into 360. So I'll get it as 120 degree. Is it clear? Sarah? Yes. Still doubt is there? Did you understand? It is basic
No,
on
ma'am.
360 degree. Yes, 10th one. Juvan,
Okay.
did you read the question 10?
Ma'am, identify the turn that the shape takes in the following pattern.
Yes.
Draw the next shape.
Draw the
Ma'am?
next shape. Yes.
Ma'am, that will be straight.
Yes, it will be straight. Which type of turn it is? Which type of turn? Clockwise or?
Ma'am,
First, the line was like this. Arrow was pointing like this. Arrow was pointing like this. Then,
may I ask a doubt?
yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if an line is straight and
Yes.
we what will say clockwise or anti-clockwise, because
The
the clockwise is ma'am, clockwise is right side and anti-clockwise is left side, right?
Yes. Now, if you are drawing
in
drawing-
straight line, what you will say?
straight line, if you are drawing the line,
I'll
it will
show
depend
you.
upon, first they will give one figure. Then you
Ma'am,
have to
can you
turn this.
stop sharing?
Yes. I did not understand your doubt exactly. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, it's a clock, right?
Yes.
So this is clockwise.
Yes.
And this is anti-clockwise.
Which is anti-clockwise?
Ma'am, here is the clock starting, so here is clockwise.
Yes, clockwise.
And,
Okay.
the opposite is anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, correct.
So
Yes.
if the line is he is standing at 12,
Yes.
what will say? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
You are not saying anything for that because there is no rotation there. Any rotation is there? Any rotation? They are not moving. So it is standing still. No rotation there. So
What will say for that?
no need of telling anything because you are not moving anywhere. It is standing still. There is no rotation there. If rotation is there only, you can say whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. If there is no rotation, what you can say? No
So it
rotation.
has any
It has not
particular
having
name
any
for,
rotation. Okay, it is
so
standing
there
still.
is any name for standing still?
No need. No name.
What
particular
is
name.
the answer of the 10th question?
Yes. 10th question, identify, if it is rotation only, you can say whether it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. If there is no rotation means you cannot say anything about it. Okay, though there is no particular name for it. Yes, it is standing still. The clock is not moving. The clock is dead, you can say. Clock is not working, you can say. There is no rotation. Okay, then you have to change the battery of that clock. That's all you should do it. Okay, so there is no rotation. Yes, 10th question, who read now?
Ma'am, Juwan.
Juwan, yes, Juwan, what is the answer you are telling?
Ma'am, anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, yes, anti-clockwise. The figure was like this first. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Again, it came straight. It is rotating like this. Arrow mark came at the top.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, which type of rotation it is?
Ma'am, it is anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. And again, it is coming like this down. Arrow mark came here. Next time will be what? What will be the next figure?
Ma'am, it will be.
Arrow mark will be pointing where?
Ma'am, arrow mark will be pointing down.
Down, yes. Because first one came straight, again it is rotating and coming down. That is the figure, you should draw it. Draw the next shape.
Ma'am, we should draw the shape of
Yes.
it pointing down.
Yes, and you can color it also if you want. Already they have marked, this is the answer. Only answer you have to do it. This is the shape. If you want, you can color it.
And we can color the arrow
Yes.
if I want.
Yes, because it will be looking nice in your figure.
Excuse
What
me,
color
ma'am.
them? Yes.
Ma'am, can I ask one thing?
Yes, you can ask any doubt. No problem.
Ma'am, clockwise will come in right side and anti-clockwise is left side, right?
Yes, yes.
Then
Yes.
how in this it is anti-clockwise?
Because where is the arrow mark? It is starting from here only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. What is the next figure? It is turning straight now.
Yeah.
Is it not? So it should come, it is coming like this only, not in this direction. If it was coming in this direction, the arrow mark will be pointing down.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I understand.
So figures, see the figure, which is the basic figure given, you can see that. You can color it. Yes.
Felix have a doubt.
Yes, no doubt. Felix finished.
Felix have a doubt.
Yes, Felix, you can ask your doubt, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. You symmetrical figures, right?
Yes, yes.
Are these symmetrical figures when they are turned clockwise or anti-clockwise, they are same in shape?
They will not change their shape. They are changing.
Can I see the next? Ma'am, let's do the.
Yes.
Let's do the notes. Ma'am,
Yes.
arrow mark.
Arrow mark will be pointing down. Yes, next one. Who is that? Kirtana? You can read the next one. Kirtana. You have to draw the figure and show me now. 11th one.
Draw how the given image looks when it is turned through 1/2 turn.
Half turn. Draw how the given image looks when it is turned through half turn. Can you draw it fast? Half turn.
Ma'am, so that will be downwards, right?
Yes, it will be downwards.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finish drawing so soon? Can you draw the figure? Can you show the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
11th one so soon finished.
Yes.
Devarsh, are you drawing?
Ma'am, it's all in the book. It's
No
already written.
No workbook?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
can you
it's
see
all in the book. Ma'am, Felix is ready.
Yes, Felix, show me your answer now fast.
Ma'am, Aditi.
Aditi,
I have drawn
yes,
the spade. I have drawn the spade.
yes, very good.
Ma'am, I have drawn the spade.
Spade, correct.
Aditi.
Yes, Aditi, correct, very
It's a
good.
card figure.
Should be coloring.
Ma'am, it's a
No need of coloring. There is no color given, so no need of coloring. Yes, Aditi, correct, very good. Yes, one by one. I need the answer one by one.
Ma'am, Felix.
Yes, one by one. I need the answer. Yes, Devarsh, correct.
Note everyone, ma'am, please.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, Felix.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, it's a figure of a card.
Yes.
Ma'am, Siddhi.
Ma'am, Kirtana.
Ma'am, Siddhi.
Ma'am, Antika.
Ma'am, Siddhi. Ma'am, Aditi.
Now I muted now. To whom I am asking, next day also I will mute if you are talking lot. So only one by one I need the answer. Yes, now you cannot talk. Next one. Yes, you can show me the answer now. All of them muted. Yes, Hyra, correct. Yes, you can show me your answers. Adidev, correct. Avantika, okay, very good. Okay, correct. Excellent. Yes, Siddhi, correct. So all of them finished now. Yes or no? Anyone is having doubt? No doubt. No doubt. Okay. So you can read now. Next one, Manjima. You can read now. Manjima. Yes, Manjima. You can read now, Manjima.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Draw how the given letter looks when it is turned through 1/3 of a turn in the clockwise direction.
Yes. You can draw how the given letter looks when it is turned through 1/3 turn. So who will draw the figure? All of you can draw the figure and show me now. 1/3 turn, more than 90 degree. Turn is more than 90 degree. It will not reach 180 degree. Yes, have you drawn it? Yes, not like that. That much will not go. F figure, it will not go that much. Figure will be, F is like this. Only this much. Yes, finished all of you. Okay, very good. All of them completed now. Yes, messages. 1/3 we should draw it. You have to draw it 1/3. Okay, yes. Sarah, okay, correct. Hyra, okay, very good. All of them have drawn. Yes, little bit, Janvi, little bit bending it should be. Not exactly straight, only 120 degree. Okay, Ashwil? Okay, very good. Okay, all of them have drawn. Excellent. Yes. Next one. Manas. Where is my, yes. You can ask me. Manas. Yes,
Show
read.
how the given shape looks when it is turned through half turn and quarter turn
half turn and 1/4 turn, how it is rotating. So you should see that. Okay. So this is a square and it is green color. It will be looking same whether it is half turn or quarter turn. Is it okay? Over time, next period we can complete one more period. Next period, if you want to, if you don't want to, mute everyone. Please don't make noise. Next period will continue, others will read. Okay, bye-bye. Next period you want to mute? Yes or no? No. Okay. No. How many of you don't want? Okay, bye-bye. Time over now. Next period we can have.